Hi, my name is Mike. Today is November 11th, 2011, and I'm interested in buying a motorized bike. I found one on Craigslist. It's a John Deere. Today, I will be looking at it. I'll let you know later. Hey, this is Mike. It's November 11th, 2011. I just picked up my motorized bike. I found it. It's a John Deere, and it's pretty badass. I'll show you guys later. Hi, it's Michael Sanchez, November 11th, or November 12th, 2011, and here's a picture of my new motorized bike. Check that out, huh? The John Deere. In my previous video, I mentioned that I had got some accessories. I installed them last night. Actually, my brother kind of helped me out. There's the basket. There's the light, front light, and I got my rear light on there. Is that pretty cool, huh? Hi, it's Michael Sanchez, and it's November 12th, 2011. I'm showing actual video of my new motorized bike with my accessories that were installed last night. It's a John Deere. Later on I'll tell you what year it is. Here's the motor. There's the chain. There's the chain tensioner and the sprocket. And again, it's a pedal assist motor. It's a John Deere. Pretty cool, huh? I'll show you some video of me riding it later. Hi, this is Mike Sanchez. November 12th, 2011. There's some more video of my bike. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I just went by one of the speedometers over there on Chestline, and it read 26 miles per hour. So it's November 12th, 2011, and my brother's out somewhere on the bike here. He just went around the corner over there. He should be coming back around. I'll try to get it on video. Here it is. Yep. Mark on my new motorized bike.